Now I'm going to show you how keywords are really important for your video to get ranked in YouTube. So this keyword is really important for your video to be ranked as soon as possible. So I'll show you with an example about how keywords are important and what type of keywords you should choose. So let's get started. Let me search for Clash of Clans. Hack 2017. So this is the page with the results. I'll show you with the first result right here. You can see that the keyword I searched for is Clash of Clans Hack 2017, and similarly this keyword is present in the title as well, and you can also see that the keyword is present in description too. So the description is not so bigger, but still this description consists of the keyword. So this is how your description and title should be, and this keyword should be very selective. You have to search for very good keyword that makes your video to get ranked soon. Similarly, you can see that this video has number of subscribers and more number of views and comments, but when compared to everything, the most important thing you have to remember here is the title and the keyword. So selecting a keyword is a bit tedious one, but I'm going to assure you a thing, that is, I'm providing a software through which you can find really good competitive keywords and which keywords you can make use to rank your videos soon. So it will be explained in detail in my software section. Please don't skip my software section, because you are going to learn about how to bring traffic to your videos as well as how to select a keyword for your title, description as well. So stay tuned and wait until my software section comes and gain more knowledge about how to rank your videos soon in YouTube. So if there is any doubts, please feel free to contact me. I'll be replying you within a maximum of 24 to 48 hours.